Hey guys, it's Wasik from TGN, and today we'll be discussing a writing task 2 two-part question. Okay, এখন এই question typeটা common এবং it's kind of tricky, but it's one of those questions where if you get it, you can easily accomplish a high band score. আপনাদের just very confidently answer করতে হবে questionটা to the most simple and effective way. ঠিক আছে? And as usual, আমাদের কি করতে হবে প্রথমে? Let's read the question. Increasing the price of petrol is the best way to solve growing traffic and pollution problems. Okay, so বলা হচ্ছে যে পেট্রোলের দামটা বাড়ালে আমাদের traffic and pollution problem গুলা solve করা যাবে easily, right? এখন question জানতে চাচ্ছে, what do they say for the two questions? To what extent do you agree or disagree? What other measures do you think might be effective? Okay, এখন these questions কতটুক আমরা agree করি, disagree করি, and also অন্য key measures মানে কি মাপ? Absolutely not. It means other key methods, right? Other methods which we might be able to use to reduce the amount of pollution and traffic problems. ঠিক আছে? So I know that pollution is caused by what? Carbon emissions. ঠিক না? এখানে আমাদের তেল ইউজ করার কারণে একটা ধোঁয়া বের হয়, and with ধোঁয়াটাই আমাদের greenhouse gases মানে they're making the greenhouse gas effect, correct? So এখন I want you guys to understand একটু তো knowledge লাগবে এই টপিকটা নিয়ে, right? So the more knowledge you have, the better off you'll be in any of the IELTS writing, ঠিক আছে? So you need to know certain things like climate change. You need to know certain things like, আমাদের বাংলাদেশে যেটা আছে vehicle tax, right? It's a 300 or 400% tax. So because of that, I want you guys to, use those tips of knowledge, use those bits of knowledge to make your writing better, okay? And the whole point of writing task 2 is to write 250 words in a specific academic format. I want you to understand that if you know the format and you write 250 words, you will definitely at least receive a band 5, right? If you write less than 250, আমাদের কিন্তু minimum requirement হচ্ছে 250. যদি 249 ও লিখি তখন কিন্তু আমাদের band score কমে যাবে. First of all, in any writing task 2 একটা introduction লাগবে, right? এখানে যেহেতু বলা আছে increasing the A lineটা, right? That increasing the price of petrol. You must paraphrase this line, right? And what is paraphrasing, guys? It is putting it into your own words. তারপরে এখানে যেহেতু বলা আছে to what extent do you agree or disagree, you must answer that question in a thesis statement, and moreover you must also kind of outline what you're going to be talking about for the rest of your essay. Now I know that maybe giving a petrol tax will be beneficial and that people will be discouraged, right? But in a practical sense, আমি এটাও জানি যে no matter how much you increase, মানে যতই দাম বাড়ুক তেলের, মানুষ কিন্তু তবুও গাড়ি চালাচ্ছে, গাড়ি চড়ছে, they're using cars, right? So you must understand that just increasing the price it won't be the most effective per se. But আমি কি এটা লিখবো এত critical একটা concept? কোনো দরকার নাই. Right now I need to get my marks, get a high band score, and go. So the easiest way to write these, in my opinion, guys, again, এটা কিন্তু আমি বলছি না যে this is the truth or this is what you must assume, nothing like that. It's moreover like easily marks to উঠিয়ে আমাদের, we need to move forward, right? We still have, I believe, easily and effectively marks to উঠিয়ে moving forward, right? So let's get started with the writing. In these essays, okay, firstly you need the introduction. Second paragraph হচ্ছে body paragraph 1 যেটা হচ্ছে question 1 কে আমরা address করব, and third paragraph হবে what other measures, a questionnaire answer. So BP2 is the what other measures do you think, and lastly we just need a little conclusion. এটা আমাদের 40 মিনিট থাকবে লিখতে, and we will need to write at least 250 words. Okay, so let's get into this. Sorry. All right. Make it bigger. Indentation. So, increasing the price of petrol is the best way to solve growing traffic and pollution problems. All right, let's let's kind of try to change this in our way. And এখানে যেহেতু একটা statement দেওয়া আছে, I want you guys to understand that using this structure, it is argued that raising the cost of petrol is a very specific word, so I don't want to really change it, but I could say gasoline for vehicles works. Gasoline for vehicles is the best method, wake method banala, to resolve the growing traffic and pollution problems of, well, let's just say, just end it right there. Okay. And now it's wanting to know, question 1, to what extent do you agree or disagree? Okay. This essay agrees with the statement. Okay, just a little simple thesis statement, guys. Okay, I don't want you to really rack your brains. You don't have to go crazy and make a really strong thesis. We just need to get the marks, remember, guys. Okay, and next is going to be the outline sentence. Okay, so firstly, this essay will discuss how increasing the price of petrol is an effective way to combat traffic and pollution. And secondly, other measures that can be taken to reduce traffic and pollution. All right, so there's your basic introduction. Okay, and right here, this is the paraphrased question. Okay, a parta. This little line, this essay agrees with the statement. Okay, why am I writing like that? Because it's academic writing. Okay, I don't want to say I agree with the statement. Okay, it's informal. And this sentence right here is the outline sentence. Okay, what is the outline sentence outlining? What you're going to write about, basically, correct? So let's get started with the writing. First paragraph, jeta bolechilam. It was, to what extent do you agree or disagree? All right, so let's do the body paragraph 1. Raising, or let's just say, making petrol more costly is a very effective method to discourage people from using vehicles. This is what you call a topic sentence. Let's just say people are reluctant to use their cars when gas, or let's say gasoline. I'll do the full form. I'm from America, so I use gas. So when gasoline is too expensive. Right. That in turn reduces the amount of carbon emissions caused by vehicles. Okay. All together, or when looked at together, this method not only reduces the traffic on the road, but also the negative effects of pollution from vehicular traffic. Right. Now I gave a little bit of context. I gave some reasons, and I kind of analyzed the whole topic. Correct. Now let's move forward. I need an example. For instance, in Bangladesh, the government recently increased the price of petrol, which caused a huge outburst from the public. Nonetheless, it can be seen that people are choosing increase the price of petrol. Nonetheless, it can be seen that people are choosing to ride share and use other methods of transport rather than using their own vehicles. So my body paragraph 1 is complete, and other methods. Oh my guys, sorry about that. I forgot to type an S. Okay. Body paragraph 2. What other measures can be taken? Well, I live in Bangladesh, and I know that there's a vehicle tax, right? So I'm going to use that, and also I'm going to integrate another point, which is going to be raising public awareness. Very easy thing to write about. ठीक है? The whole point here is to easily, effectively get your marks, write 250 words, and go. All right. So there are many other ways to bring about a reduction in traffic. Reduction in traffic and pollution caused by vehicles. Imposing a tax on cars with high engine displacement, basically V6 engines and above, will make people turn away from gas guzzling cars. Moreover, we must try to start public awareness campaigns to make people aware of the damage they are causing to our planet and potential what can I say, devastation of our entire ecosystem. Again, for example, I need an example, right? For example, many countries all around the world. So, for example, many countries all around the world impose taxes on vehicles that consume high amounts of fuel. And we can make this even better, large volumes. Okay, why not? Large volumes of fuel. And in Bangladesh, there is a 300 to 400% vehicle tax, and it has proved to be a highly effective measure to not only reduce the number of vehicles on the road, but also to reduce pollution, either directly or indirectly. Let's just finish it off. Okay, we need a conclusion, and then we'll be good to go. Correct. In conclusion, indirectly or directly. Now all we need is a conclusion and we'll be good to go. So here we go. In conclusion, the increase in the cost of petrol is definitely an effective way to reduce traffic and pollution. Furthermore, other methods like a vehicle tax and social awareness campaigns will aid the efforts to reduce traffic and pollution. And এখন দেখেন guys, আমার conclusion all I did was restate exactly what I said throughout the essay. Okay, I didn't make it super high thought. I didn't do anything too crazy. And let's just do a quick work on একটু দেখি কতগুলো word লিখেছি আমরা. Let's see. All right, Control Shift and C. We have 332 words. So more than enough for IELTS. আমাদের minimum 250. But একটা ভালো essay usually 300 যাবে. Okay guys, 250 bare minimum, 300, 330 fine. And another thing I want you guys to remember, আমি কিন্তু টাইপিং করছি, right? এই জন্য আমার এতগুলো words হয়েছে. If I was writing, I'd probably write less. So remember, it's not about writing a whole lot. There is no limit to how much you can write. ঠিক না? But I want you to understand that don't waste your effort writing 500 words or typing 500 words. ঠিক না? Get your marks, follow the structures, use your knowledge, and get a high band score. That's it for today's video. I'm Wasik from TGN, signing out. Stay tuned for more writing videos. I'll be doing more videos about Task 2 and completing them live right in front of you. Have a good day.